What are we learning today?
Learning Toolkit.
Let's learn all about Diplodocus. How do you say that again? Diplodocus. How big was a Diplodocus? It was one of the longest dinosaurs ever. It was as long as nearly 4.5 buses. Most of this length was taken up by its neck and tail. It would walk around with both of them parallel to the ground, balancing each other. How heavy was a Diplodocus? It was as heavy as a dump truck. It was one of the slowest dinosaurs around. Its top speed was only 9 miles per hour, so a regular human could easily outrun it. Diplodocus would use its tail like a whip. Scientists think it could even break the sound barrier. It used it to defend itself against scary dinosaurs. Diplodocus had smaller front legs and bigger back legs, so it would often rear up onto 2 legs to reach higher food. He never skipped leg day. It only had teeth at the front of its mouth, which it used to strip leaves off of branches. Do you know what Diplodocus means? It means double-beamed lizard. That's because it had unique double bones all along the underside of its tail. Diplodocus was found in North America, just like T-Rex. But not at the same time. They lived around 150 million years ago in the mid to late Jurassic period. So they would have been neighbours with Stegosaurus and Brachiosaurus. So what have we learned? We learned that Diplodocus was as long as 4.5 buses. And the length was taken up by its neck and tail that balanced each other out. It was as heavy as a dump truck, so it was very slow. Its top speed was only 9 miles per hour. A human could easily outrun it. Diplodocus could use its tail like a very fast whip. This was used to defend itself against other dinosaurs. It had shorter front legs and longer back legs, so it could stand up to reach higher food, and it only had teeth at the front of its mouth to strip leaves from trees. Diplodocus means double-beamed lizard because of the double bones found in its tail. It was found in North America and lived about 150 million years ago in the mid to late Jurassic period, with Stegosaurus and Brachiosaurus. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing Diplodocus. To learn about more dinosaurs, please make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below on what dinosaur you want to see next. This one's for you, Doodle Dad. Finally, you can click the links at the end of this video for more dinosaur facts. Bye, Diplodocus!